gonna show you my app that is Find App Book. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's go to the first icon, which is information, and let's read it. Okay, this app is for book lovers. Here you can find your favorite libraries and at a good price. Here you can find featured books, featured libraries, all libraries that are close to you. In Find a Book, you can see all things that are related to books, because books are uniquely portable magic. Stephen King. Okay, so once we read it, let's go back. And let's go back. Okay, let's go to the second icon, which is Contact Us. Let's click it. Okay, so here we can call someone if we can to guide us on the application. Okay, we can't call right now because this is just a simulator. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go to the next icon, which is featured books. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we got 2 books. Okay, the first one is called City of Amber. Okay, the price is at $7.99. Okay, let's read the description. The city of Amber was built as a last refuge for the human race. 200 years later, the great lamps that light the city are beginning to flicker. When Lina Wren finds a part of an ancient message, she's sure it holds a secret that will save the city. She and her friend Dune must race to figure out the clues before the lights go out of Amber forever. Okay, this is an interesting book. Okay, and when we click on the link, will guide us to Amazon to buy it. We can't buy it right now because this is just a simulator. Interesting. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to the second book, which is called Jar of a Wimpy Kid, Hard Luck. Okay. Let's click it. The price is at $5.77. This is an image. Let's go back. Oh. Amber of a Wimpy Kid. Okay. So let's read the description. Red Elf is on a losing streak. His best friend, Rolly Jefferson, has ditched him and finding new friends. In middle school is proving to be a thug test to change his fortunes. Greg decides to take a leap of faith and turn his decisions over to change. Will a roll of the dice turn things around, or is Greg's life destined to be just another hard luck story? Okay, interesting book for kids. Let's follow the link that is down here. Okay. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Hard Luck, Book 8. Okay. Interesting. So that book is basically like for kids. Sorry. Let's go to the next icon, which is libraries. Okay, we got 2 libraries. Let's visit the first library, which is the British Library. Here we got an image. It's very big. Okay, let's follow the link, which is the official website of this library. Okay, so it's interesting. Okay, here we got festivals, news. Okay, interesting. And let's go to the next library, which is the Library of the United States Congress. Okay, let's click the image. It's very ancient, as we can see, and big. Okay, let's go. Let's read the information. Okay, this is certainly the most famous and the largest library in the world open to the public. It is basically the National Library of the United States. It is also the oldest federal cultural institution in the country, and is home to more than 32 million books and 61 million manuscripts, as well as numerous unique historical documents. Interesting. So it doesn't have more information. Let's go back. Let's see the next icon, which is portfolio. This icon is basically for my school, that a portfolio about my school. Here we got a speech, my speech that I wrote for Salmon 8 about Italy. I recommend you a lot Salmon, because you can learn a lot. Okay, let's go to the next icon, which is audiobooks. Sorry. So here we got 2 books. Let's click on the first one, which is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, again Hard Luck. The price is $4.99. Let's click on the image. Interesting. These are audiobooks, not books. I think that people are always now listening to audiobooks. Okay, let's read the info. This is the most hotly anticipated children's books release of the year. The globally best-selling and award-winning Diary of a Wimpy Kid series is Russell Redcliffe on a losing streak. His best friend Rowley Jefferson has ditched him and finding new friends in middle school. In middle school is proving to be a thug task. To change his fortunes, Greg decides to take a leap of faith and turn his decisions over to chance. With a roll of the dice, turn things around, or is Greg's life this time to be just another hard luck story? Okay, let's go down. Okay, so we got a website to buy it. Okay. It's an Amazon. Okay. Interesting. So let's go to the other one. Okay. Which is Lilliput's surviving high school. Okay. The price is $5.22. Okay, let's click on the image. Interesting. I think this book is like for teenagers. Okay, so let's read now the information. Vine superstar Lily Pons, one of the coolest girls on the web, teams up with the #1 New York Times best-selling author Melissa de la Cruz, which is the author of The Island of the Lost. In this charming debut novel about the ups and downs of high school that's a lot loud, addictive and Lele's popular videos. 10 million followers and I still sit alone at lunch. Lele's a bullish-eyed target at her new school in Miami. Until overnight her digital fame catapults the girl with cheerleader looks, a seriously silly personality, and a self-deprecating funny bone into the popular crowd. Now she's let's go down. Okay. Okay. Let's go down. Where we were going? Now she's facing a whole new set of challenges. The relentless drama, the ruthless cliques, and the unexpected internet celebrity. All while trying to keep her grades up and make her parents proud. Filled with the sunny enthusiasm that has made Lele into the Vine's most viewed star, this charming novel is a proof that high school is a trip. Okay, let's follow this website. It's an Amazon Kindle. Okay.
We're just friends.
Okay. Amazing. Okay. Okay. So let's go. So guys, I hope you like this video, which I'm explaining this application. I hope you guys download this application because it's just very cool for book lovers like me. So see you later. Bye. Yeah.